Welcome to a quick guide on how to use Tochie, your personal voice aid. This video assumes you have successfully set up your Tochie device and have connected it to Wi-Fi. In this video, I will show you how to edit a previously recorded and scheduled reminder message. To start, tap the Schedule tab. You have the option to view your scheduled events two ways, by day or view all. I will use the View All option that lists the events that have been scheduled. Select the item you wish to update from the list. Now the Edit Schedule menu allows you to update the event and the messages. Event title changes the title of the event. Message changes the message associated and that will be played for this event. Play on changes the device on which the message will be played. Start date changes the date the scheduled message will start to play. Time changes the time of day the message will be played. In this example, I will change the time from 8 p.m. to 7 p.m. Repeat changes the frequency of when the message will be played. In this example, I will change it from every day to specific days, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And end repeat changes the end date when the message will play. If you would like to delete the event when this message is played, you have the delete option at the very end of the screen. Note that deleting the message from the schedule will not delete the message itself, and so you will still find the message under the Message tab. Now that you've made your changes, save your changes with the Save option in the top right corner.